Back to this YouTube channel, Hamara Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up Hamara Tunnel in all countries, all networks, all devices for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, we are going to leave our comment section open. Comment your device model, your country, your network, so that we can give you the best server that will be working on your device. First step is to subscribe. Second step is to like. Third step is to open Google Play Store. And in your Google Play Store, you're going to go in your search bar of Google Play Store. Then type in Hamara Tunnel Lite. Then search. By searching using Google Play Store, you are allowing us to connect you to a secure internet. Now download, then after downloading, install this application on your device. After installing, you're going to be opening this application. Now allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application on the start. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now, we're going to check OK. If this application welcomes you, check OK. And then if it doesn't, we're going to check later. Now, first step, we're going to come and then choose updates. Choose online update. Give it some few seconds until you see this message that no update available. Now we're going to come in the second step where you see Wi-Fi, data, SSL, normal, that one. We're going to come scroll with a lot of care looking for your country's server, but I'm going to show you the fastest server. Type in UDP. Then it will bring you these servers, but I recommend you guys to keep in all world UDP because it is the fastest server on this application. Now in the last step, we're going to come where you see auto select server, and then in the auto select server, I'm going to show you something. If you try to connect this application using these servers, it won't connect to your device. So I don't recommend you guys to use these servers. I always recommend you guys to keep in the auto select server. That is it. Keep in the auto select server, and then after to establish a secure connection, you're going to come where you see start. Then accept the connection request. Now it will be connecting. As you see, it has connected successfully. Now, what if it fails to connect? I'm going to try to turn airplane mode on and then off before connecting. Reconnect again, clear the app data, clear the app name, clear the app cake. Now restart your device. If it fails, also that is an advert. Don't worry about the advert. Now if it fails to connect, you're going to do this. When you're going to go back, because you may have skipped the tutorial, that's why it didn't connect on your device. You missed out important steps. Now if you did all as required and still fail to connect, try to reach us. If we're in Uganda, try to get our contacts in the bio. We activate your SIM card to KYC with 20k. Or if you don't want to talk to us, you hate us, you can try to buy learn from home bundles, which are expensive than KYC, because a month you can spend like 45k, but for us we want only 20k to activate your SIM card to KYC. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Hamara Tech and I will sign out.